He just said go. I'm bad.
Don't worry about it. Keep your legs straight. That's what it is. What do you call this thing when they're in the pool?
I forgot.
Don't hit me. This is for your team. This has to be a good video. Okay, second one coming up.
So you just go?
I guess you're up, Michael. And jump far, Lara. Let's go! What are you doing, Josh?